I love my husband. First of all, I want to thank God for bringing us together in this special day. Because of God's love, we are here today to celebrate and unify the love that He has made and given for us.
Nagsimulang lahat sa isang
Hi love, una sa lahat, I want to thank our loving God for making this important chapter of our life to happen. Our first meeting was in PSU ACC when we were senior high. Magkaklase tayo noon. Hindi ko alam na you will be the most important person na I ever talked to. Your name, Jasmine, means God's gift. I never thought na nung panahon na madilim ang mundo, ay ikaw yung magiging instrumento ng Panginoon upang maging liwanag ko. So Konami, bounce na ako kako. Pero andyan ka pa rin, pinaalala mo sa akin na kayanin ko at andito ka para sa akin.
ako, di magbabago yun at pag ika'y
Boy, alam mo ba, 9 years ago simula nang makilala kita sa senior high. Ikaw kasi yung tao no na tahimik, may sariling mundo, pala drawing. Masasabi ko na kakaiba ka sa lahat kasi at that age, grabe ka mag-isip. And di ko ina-expect na magiging close tayo. At doon na nagsimula lahat.
sabi mo. Aaminin sa'yo.
Ito yung first love letter niya sa akin. Kinig ko talaga. Hi loves, ngayon lang ulit ako susulat. Always remember that I love you. After all this time, I still love you. It's always been you. It was you yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And for the rest of my life. Thank you for everything, for laughter, for all the fun we've shared. Thank you for always caring, support, and my best friend in such a special way. You do matter a lot to me. And sorry loves for not show you through my actions how much I care for you.
Nung naging tayo na, sobrang thankful ako kay Lord dahil dumating ka sa panahong kailangan ko ng karamay. Salamat dahil hindi ko ipinilit yung panahon na hanapin ka pero kusa kang dumating dahil binigay ka ni Lord sa alam kong tama.
Magbabago yun at pag ika'y nawawala, tingin
Jester and Hasmin. Ito na yung araw na iniintay ninyo. Ang araw na pinaghanda ninyo na matagal. Ang araw na inaabangan ng inyong mga kapamilya, kakilala at kaibigan. Ito ang araw ng inyong pag-iisang dibdib. Ang araw ng inyong kasal.
Ninyalay alak mo. Ay, alak na to, shot na to. Pili mo na iba kaysa sa sarili mo. I miss you my love, see you later. Una naman san.
Sure you're probably busy getting on with your new life.
Sino ang unang sasayaw?
Shot mo daw.
Thank you po. Tingnan natin kung anong binigay niya. Hi boy! I hope this gift will make you happy. Alam ko di ka materialistic na tao, but I wanted to give this para naman may masuot kang something unique din. Alam ko noon di natin kaya mabili to due to priorities, but now I want you to remember how I love you with all my heart. Everything about you is priceless. I love you so much with God's love.
Ang pag-aasawa o kasal ay hindi ito kontrata. It is not a contract. But rather, it is a covenant. Kasi ito'y sakramento na binabasbasan ng Diyos.
Took a long and lonely walk up to an empty house. That's where I've come from. Where have you come from? The more I live, the more I know I've got to live without.
Ikaw, Hasmin, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jester Einstein ngayong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Ikaw, Jester Einstein, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Yasmin ngayong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Fall into your knees, oh please. love will set you free.
My love is standing here today in the presence of God, our family and friends. I am filled with overwhelming joy and gratitude. Simula nang makilala kita, alam ko na God has a plan for us.
You know love will set you free.
Yasmin, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Chester Einstein na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at balituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Pupuso ba pagkakaloob mo sa kanya na iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Pupuso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang asawa?
Opo, Father.
If you're ever feeling lonely, if you're ever feeling down, you should know you're not the only one, 'cause I'm feeling with.
And right now, I promise to give you the love, patience, kindness, peace, and a happy, blessed life, ever be scribed, bonded, and tied together with God. You'll always be my best gift from God, Jasmine. I love you so much.
Love will set you free. Love will set you